Hi everybody. You know, Filmora is pretty making me really mad right now. Like, really bad. Bad? Matt? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So, okay, here we go. Yeah, okay. So, you see this? This is Filmora. This is what I use to. I don't care. So this is what I use to make videos. Trust me, it's bigger and longer than this, but I unplugged my camera so it doesn't have all the video and what's going on. Okay, I don't care. So if you press export right here, wait, what? What, the fridge? Why did it, no. 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 What happened? What happened? I'm back. Open. Okay, there's something. So we're gonna go over to Filmora. We're gonna press export, and it's like, hey, no, you need a lifetime plan, which I did get. Thank you very much. But it's like, nah, you don't have one. So I like, oh, I do have an account, but I frigging don't know the password or anything. So fridge. Fridge is a nice word, like a nice, oh shoot. No, I opened something. What is that anyway? No, I don't want Windows Defender up. I don't care. So yeah, bye.